You've started 5 businesses in 3 years, and you're still exactly where you started. Watch this. It'll hurt, but it'll save you. Meet Alex. Alex sees his neighbor buy a new car. Neighbor says he made it drop shipping. So Alex quits his job and starts drop shipping. Every time you jump ship, you reset the clock. You throw away all the progress, all the skills, all the momentum, and you start from zero, again and again. Stop. The people who win are not smarter than you. They are not luckier than you. They simply did not quit. Imagine you're digging for water. You dig 5 feet, nothing. So you move and dig again. Meanwhile, the guy next to you digs 1 hole 30 feet deep and water gushes out. Pick one thing. Go so deep that you become impossible to ignore. Stop watching what others are doing. Obsess over your own lane.
Smash that subscribe button pointing, because next video, I'll show you exactly how to pick the right lane and never second guess it again.